So let's start. Welcome everyone to the KubeVirt community meeting. It's July 16th of 2025. Let's start with the introductions. First of all, I forgot, let me see. I'm going to share. Wait a second, let me see if I can share my screen. System window capture, share. Done. I've not done that for quite a while. I'm sorry for that. Let me see if I can find it. There it is. Share the screen. Okay, I hope everyone can see the community meeting notes at the moment.
Yep.
Okay, cool. Second of all, let me put something into the chat. Where is the chat? There is the chat. Okay, I'm going to add the link of the Google Doc for the community meeting notes into the chat. Please, everyone, sign your attendance in the top section. I'm going to do that myself also. So we have started recording, then everything should be fine. While we are there, I would like to announce that there are several ways how you can join the community. There is also, like, if you're an avid user of the KubeVirt project, please add your organization to the Adopters Markdown. You can follow us on Twitter. We have a community page, and you can join if you're a frequent contributor. You can join the GitHub project as a member. Further things are outlined in our KubeVirt docs. So first of all, my question: do we have any new members this week that would like to introduce themselves? Okay, that sounds like a no. Okay then. First of all, let's go to the schedule. So we are currently in the process of cutting the release candidate. We're still a bit over time, I think. If I remember correctly, we haven't had like a release candidate 0. This is being held because of the release blocker, which is still, there is a test that is marked as a release blocker that still needs to get fixed. Lee has put up a pull request on that to greatly improve the stability, which is great. That should merge, I think, this week. And then I think we will finally see like the KubeVirt RC 0 being cut. Coming back to the upcoming call for paper check-ins, I'm not sure if there is anything new. Let's take a quick look. I think this is still okay. The KubeCon Cloud NativeCon North America schedule announcement should already have happened. I don't know. Maybe anyone else can chime in here. I'm not like that familiar with the North America event. I don't have any information about that, but I think that's everything that we can say about that. Jet, yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, so back to the schedule. If RC0 is delayed, then I assume RC1 is delayed too, and do we also delay GA? Like, does anyone know?
I have no idea, to be honest. I don't see anyone. Probably Federico can chime in on that, but I think basically that yeah, we want to catch up as fast as possible on that. But Federico, please say
yeah,
something to that.
Not as far as I know. As far as I know, basically we're just gonna to compress the last 3 weeks in less time, at least this is what is the current schedule. We can talk about it if we want to delay, but I think that there aren't any circumstances to delay again the GA.
All right, thanks.
Good.
Okay, so probably we should add that to the agenda notes, or at least to the open floor. That basically the RC0 will cut soon. Far as I can tell.
Yeah,
No.
it will be cut soon because I mean, right now it is blocked because of the release blocker. So if there is a release blocker issue, the release is actually blocked. That's why we are not cut yet the RC0.
Okay. I just added this to the open floor. I'm not sure if that matches somehow, but yeah, please change as you deem necessary. Okay, so I don't see any items at the agenda and notes. You can still, I'll leave you like just a minute if you have something final that you want to squeeze in.
Yeah, I'm on mobile right now, so I can't add to the agenda notes. But I was wondering if people could take a look at my PR for SEV S&P enablement.
Who's talking there, by the way? I don't see it at the moment because the client is so bad.
Oh yeah, this is Alan Caldelas. I work for AMD.
Alan, yeah, thanks. I didn't recognize your name,
Okay,
you
no worries.
directly. Okay.
Can you share
Yes.
the link of the PR, Alan? Sorry.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to find it. Sorry, it's because I'm on mobile. Let me try to see if I can get it.
Probably I can at least try that. This should be your GitHub handle is Al Caldelas, right?
Yes, it is.
Okay, let me see if I can find it. Also, oh, okay. I don't see it. Let me see if I did. Yeah, I don't have your. Yeah, let's see if I can somehow find it somewhere else.
Maybe it's this. I just posted it in the chat. Maybe.
Okay, let me take a quick look. 14845 SEV SMP support enablement. That looks good.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Thanks. Okay,
Mhm.
I'm just going to add that to the community notes, and then we'll have that. Please take a look at the PRC enablement. Basically, I think that is also like pull request that needs attention. So I would probably add that into that section if that matches.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you for raising it. Okay. So if I don't see anything else from agenda and notes, is there something that we want to talk about in the open floor? Okay. I take that as a no. I'm not sure if Near is here.
Yes, I am.
Yeah. Okay, cool. I'm going to open the PR real quick, and you probably can just state what is required from for attending or for looking at this. Is this just like a goal for people to review it, or is there something
Yes.
special that you want to mention?
Yes, it aims to fix a bug that we suspect that has been created when Virt Handler was split into 3 controllers, to the source controller and migration target controller. So since then we started having a flake. In the SRIOV test, it started to fail all the time after migration, and this PR suggests a fix and adds a status update to the source migration controller. So I think that first I would like someone from SIG Compute who was involved in that change to take a look at it.
That would be me. So yeah, I'll definitely have a look.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot for the fix.
Thank you.
Cool. Great. Okay, then there is another PR from Jan Chintak, I probably think.
Yeah.
So you have, yeah. So please go ahead.
Yeah, so I was basically just going through things and found this one's been open for quite a while, and I forgot about it myself. It was part of the effort to move Arch-specific code into separate files, so they can be owned by specific work groups for that architecture. And it's, I think, the last one of the ones I had opened for that. So my question is basically, do we still want this? And if yes, could someone look over it? I think I probably need to look over it myself to make sure everything's still working as intended, since I think that hasn't been rebased in a while.
I don't at least see a neat rebase flag, so at least there don't seem to be any merge conflicts, which is great.
Yeah, but I would like to, get a rebase since last update is 11th of March.
Yeah, no, I would
Not
consider
June, okay.
that for merging, I would want to look through it, rebase it, and make sure everything is still as intended and nothing new was added. Shouldn't be, but
Yeah.
just to make sure it still works.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I will try to take a look because I think that it's valuable in general.
I'm going to assign you,
Yeah, thank you.
Federico, if you don't mind. Okay,
Yep.
cool.
Thank you.
Cool. Thanks. Okay, then we have the third one, the SEV enablement. I'm not sure who would be capable of taking a look at that.
Yeah, I think some people have been still out, so I think I might need to wait a little bit more on this one as well. So the enhancement proposal hasn't been approved yet either.
Okay.
Is there an enhancement proposal attached to it?
Yeah, I think it's in the description. I hope I put it there.
Yeah, it looks like.
All right.
Partially addresses AMD SEV technology enablement. That's it, probably, right?
I think that's like the main one.
Okay.
I guess I didn't. I'll try to dig it up a little later, I guess. I guess I'll wait for the next confidential compute meeting to talk about it.
Okay. So should I just add like a note that you should probably add like the VP to this and link it to this, or
Yeah, I think
what should we
so.
do? Yeah.
Yeah, I also think we're going to be combining the enhancement proposals for Intel, TDX, and AMD. So I wanted to bring that up as well.
So I just added, like you mentioned in the meeting, that you want to merge them. I hope that is correct.
Yeah, that sounds about what I said. Yeah.
Okay, cool. I'm just adding a comment on that, and then we should be all set already. Cool. Good, good. Let me switch back. So then we have the pull requests that need attention. And then let's take a quick look at the mailing list. Okay, I see. Yeah, that first of all, I would probably want to announce that the release 1.7 schedule has been proposed. This is the mailing list put up by Federico. And the pull request is this one, which is basically like minor changes. Wait a second, what's that? That's the wrong link. Oh, I need to probably figure out a new one.
Sorry, missing the 6.
Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. I'm just going to update. Yeah, I'm just going to update. But oh, you're doing okay. Cool. Yeah, it's 46, right? So let's take a quick look at that. Basically, like the next schedule that we're looking out for is when GitHub doesn't let me down. Let me see. We are starting, so Kubernetes 134 beta will be happening today. And we are going to start like 2 weeks after. So like at the end of the month, we are going to start to work on the 134 provider. Yeah, after the release, we are going to switch to a stable provider. And yeah, basically, I don't want to read everything out to you as is, but yeah, please take a look if you have something and want to chime in on the release schedule, maybe like improvements on the release schedule or something that you want to add. Please go ahead and chime in on that next thing. Okay, so then we have a couple of minutes time for a bug scrub. So let's see. I don't see anything in the bug scrub itself. So let's take a quick look at the issues. Okay, we have a couple that don't seem to be. Yeah, there is one answer already. Probably from the bot, I figure. This looks like got deleted by generic garbage collector. Interesting.
Yeah, so I know that Lubo is looking at this one, but yeah, I don't know anything about it.
Okay, I'm just going to assign it to Lubo so that it's a bit more clear. Thanks. Okay, let me see. What's the next one? Oh, that's by Simone Open himself. I figured that might be a tracker. Let me take a quick look. If that is the case.
Yeah, there are a few comments on this one. I think it's already being assigned to a SIG, which is not compute. Yeah, SIG observability.
Okay. But the label doesn't apply. I think if this is wrong, we should probably take like the SIG observability. Just for completeness. Yeah, there it is. Okay, cool. Okay, then I think people from SIG observability should pick that up. I would probably actually Rutgo on that one. Oops, that's wrong. Yeah, let's do it again. That should work. Okay. Oh, Lee found a flaky unit test. That should probably be a tracker. Which is assigned to storage. Interesting. Is anyone from storage here?
Yes, sir.
Hey, Mike, I think, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, you can tag me with this.
Cool. Okay, thanks. Okay, this all has the labels. Cool. Let me see. Next one is NVIDIA drivers. Oh, okay. Seems to be an issue with hibernation in was it a Windows? Yeah, Windows 11 virtual machine going into hibernation and then becoming unresponsive. So who would be the expert in vGPU? Probably, let me see if I find something. No, no one else besides talk to him. I would probably say like that could be something for, I'm not sure if Vladek himself would handle that. Who do you think would be a good candidate on that?
NVIDIA.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Yeah, it's a tough one. I don't know.
Yeah, I would probably just ping Vladek and probably maybe Ryan Hallisey for awareness, and then we probably have like two candidates who might like put this to someone else who is capable of looking into this, if that works. Okay, let me see what else is there. This is from Ryan from last week, okay. And that's already 6 days old. This is the dequarantine that is Lee is working on. That's already like also 6 days old. These are from mine. Okay, then I think we are through with the last week's new issues. Then we can conclude here, I think. So we don't have any flaky test fixes that we can announce. Although I would probably say like Lee's would probably fit in here. I'm going to add this, I think, just for credits. Although it's not yet been merged, so maybe we leave that for next week. Okay, so I mean we have 5 minutes until the end. I know that a couple of people will go to the Sick Compute meeting, so I would probably just give you a couple of minutes back for this meeting. If there is nothing else that anyone wants to say, I would probably conclude. Okay, then I would probably say thanks everyone for your attendance. Have a nice rest of the day, and see you in another meeting. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.